Not yet.
Not yet.
No.
I bet I'll have a big bruise tomorrow. Come here. Come here. Not this way, to my legs. Come to my legs. No. Yeah. No, hold my hands. I put my legs there. I'll lift you up. Hey.
No.
Let go. You have to let go with your hands.